Hey folks, Canadian Car Guy here. Back for part 3 of my Caprice rebuild, my restoration. Had to stop through the winter, couldn't really do anything. So I'm back. It's now really nice spring weather, 20 to 25 degrees out, so it's just perfect. Climb in here. Alright, so as you can see, I started tearing down the interior of the car a little bit. I had some pieces that I had to pull out of my 92, and I had to repaint some of the pieces. The main piece that goes over the instrument panel was it was cut out. A friend of mine that originally had the car, um, he cut it out so he could put a button for his exhaust wastegate. So because I couldn't patch that and there's really no way of fixing it, I just started tearing it down. So that piece is out of the 92 now. So I also took apart the main part of the dash, just pulled it off. It wasn't too difficult. The only real difficult spot to get to was right there. That's the defroster for the windshield. 4 screws are there, so you gotta take those out. The rest is mostly clips. Like there's one there. It broke off, so I gotta try and maybe re-drill that or something, put something in there, fix it. That's what it's supposed to look like there. But it's pretty well clip-in, so it's gonna be fairly easy to fix, I think. And then that's my horn. So yeah, that's gonna be remounted into the dash as well, right where I had it in the red Caprice. You'll see that later. I'll show you what the plan is for that. So I got all my dash pieces painted that I wanted. I got some of the underside panels off, repainted. You can see the interior of the car is a really nice blue. The seats are in amazing shape. My buddy did the best he could to try and take care of this car, and something was wrong with the engine, which I believe I may have mentioned in the last video. If I didn't, basically we figure it's either a crack in the block or something else is going on, maybe rear main seal. The whole underside of the car is just coated with oil. It wouldn't run. When it ran, it would only run for me, or it would only run for about maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and it would sputter out and die. So something's pretty seriously wrong with the 305 in this one. Mechanical wise, she's pretty sound. It's got the 700R4 transmission, and usually these cars, like my 92, they came with the 4L60E, which is a notoriously crap transmission. It's not good at all. Although the red one really did shift nice, and the engine was in pristine condition, it's going into this car because the body on the other one is pretty bad. You'll see that in the other videos. The body on this car is just absolutely immaculate. So that's why I'm tearing down my good car, my good running car, to fix up this one. And my plan is, when I get enough money, I'm going to try to repair the body on the red car, which is going to be about $2,000 per side for the rear quarters. And the trunk needs a little bit of work too, so it'll come in time. It sucks, but you know, I'm gonna try not to get rid of that car. I'm gonna try and restore that one as well to the best of my ability, and try and sell it, see what I can get for it. I'll try and restore it back to factory as much as I can anyways, which is what I'm trying to do to this car. Uh, I got this really nice window shade up to help keep the sun off of everything. Uh, you might have seen it in the previous videos, but I'm trying to make this car into like a, although it really is a really nice executive class. They call it the executive class luxury car. Um, I'm trying to make it even more so. So I actually had a couple of Caprice Classic pillows made up for it for the back seat. It actually looks really good. I'll show you those again if you haven't seen it in the other video. All right, I'll pause the video and I'll come right back and I'll show you what I've done to the dash. All right, so Canadian Car Guy again. We're back in the garage. I put a final coat of the coloring that I want to use, called Horizon Blue. It's a little bit brighter than the actual interior of the car, but that's why I'm repainting all of this, even though it didn't really need it, but I'm doing it anyways. It'll make it look a lot better, make it look a little newer. So this is the main clip piece for the dash. As I say, it's in Horizon Blue now, and it looks really good. It went on really nice. There's the defroster grill. Cigarette lighter and holder for change or whatever you use it for. This part is for right under the steering wheel. There's the glove box. Very easy to take off, only 4 bolts. And it clips off. Put a final coat of blue on this. Now the color is really nice, so it really didn't take more than 1 coat. This piece goes right under the passenger side. Alright, kind of got interrupted there, but it's all good. So, like I was saying, I got the first heavy coat of blue on. It's looking really good. And this looks wet, because it is. I just put a coat of clear on it. Try and help seal it in, make it look a little bit nicer, give it that extra little bit of shine. So all of this now has been clear coated. Used only about 1/4 of the can to do it. Got a little bit of touch up to do. I got this old sheet, covering all the dust on this engine stand, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of touch up, as you can see there. But I'll deal with that a little bit later. So the next time you tune in, I'll already have these in the car, or I might even do a video of installation just to show you how it's all done. Can't wait to finally have this project done. The engine is almost out as well, so I'll come back for that. Canadian Car Guy out.